Hi students, today's our topic importance of good posture. So what is a posture? The position in which we hold our body while standing, sitting or lying down is known as posture. A good posture helps in keeping our entire skeletal system healthy. Next, what is the importance of good posture? Proper posture improves spine health. Sitting and standing with proper alignment improves blood flow, helps keep your nerves and blood vessels healthy, and supports your muscles, ligaments, and tendons. People who make a habit of using correct posture are less likely to experience related back and neck pain. So those who are sitting or standing properly, they will not have these problems like back and neck pain. Next, what is a good body posture? Good posture involves training your body to stand, walk, sit and lie so as to place the least strain on muscles and ligaments while you are moving or performing weight bearing activities. Good posture helps you to prevent backache and muscular pain. In this first picture, this is bad posture and the second picture shows good posture. So when you sit or stand or lying down, you have to be in a good posture. What are the benefits of good posture? Improved memory and learning, makes you look powerful, reduced back and neck pain, improved mood, improved breathing, make you taller and slimmer. All these are the benefits of good posture. The first and second picture, this is not a good posture, this is a bad posture, and the third one is a good posture. To maintain good posture, we need to train ourselves to stand, walk, sit and lie down in positions that put the least strain on supporting muscles and ligaments of the body. How can I improve my posture when standing? First step, stand up and straight, tall. Stand up straight and tall. Keep your shoulders back. Pull your stomach in. Put your weight mostly on the balls of your feet. Keep your head level. Let your arms hang down naturally at your sides. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart. All these steps helps you to improve the good posture. So we have completed our chapter 2 and today's your homework is do exercise 3 page number 21 in the textbook. The first column joint, second where it is located and third the movements of the joints. The first ball and socket joint and located in shoulder and hip, movement almost all directions. Next pivot joint located in neck and moving head up and down. Hinge joint located in elbows and legs, movement forward and backward. gliding joint located in wrist and ankle, movement up, down and sideways. Thank you. Have a nice day.